Cheryl Mirabel, and I am here to teach you in cleaning and sterilization of feeding bottles. First, we have to make sure that we clean our workstation. After that, we have to gather all the materials. Here are the materials needed for sterilization. First, we have to have 2 basins, a sponge, a bottle brush, a nipple brush, a bottle stand rack, dirty bottles, warm water, and soap. First of all, we have to wash our hands before doing the sterilization. Then, we fill each basin with warm water. We put soap on the other basin where we will soak the dirty bottles. After we soak the bottles for a while, we start with the bottle by cleaning the inner side with a bottle brush. And then we clean the outer part of the bottle using the sponge. After we clean this, we put it in normal water. We also clean the nipples by using a nipple brush or the teeth. And rinsing it in the clean basin. We clean the crown and make sure that milk residue is taken out. After the bottle has been rinsed in clear water, we each take out the bottle and place it in the rack. After we have placed all the clean feeding bottles in the bottle rack, we will now prepare or bring the bottles to a boil. Prepare 3/4 water in the pan. And then put all of the bottles with containers filled with water and the cap. Make sure there are no bubbles inside. After that, we close the pan with a lid. We bring it to a boil, and after bringing it to a boil, we set it to low and then wait for 15 to 25 minutes. After 15 to 25 minutes, we now open the lid, make sure away from your face, and then carefully add the cap and the teat inside. Close the lid and time it for another 5 minutes. After we finished, for 5 minutes, we open it. Make sure that when we open it, we get away from the boiling water, and then we carefully take out the bottle and place it properly in the bottle rack. If this is, or if we are using a steaming mechanism or for steaming bottles, we must have to use the preferred timer or heat according to the manufacturer's guide. And now we're done. Hello, my name is Cheryl Mirabel, and I'm here to give you instructions on feeding and burping an infant. First, we have to put or check the formula if it's expired, or the amount of formula to be given to the baby according to his or her age. We start to put water, level it according to manufacturer's instruction. We take a scoop and then we level it without compacting the powder. We hold the edge of the teat and then close it. Get the cap and then shake it until powder is dissolved. Place this under running water or cold running water. After finished, we test the temperature and then we are ready to feed the baby. Hold your baby in an upright position where the head is a little higher than the rest of the body. Make sure that milk is free flowing, and then we feed the baby. The feeding of milk is by the baby's demand. Remember that we burp the baby in the middle and after feeding. We put a towel by our shoulder and then hold the baby up by our chest and then gently tap the baby's back until we hear a burp. And that's how we feed and burp the baby.